Next point would be to observe. Please kindly observe. Per se, you came late to somewhere. Look, and your case is not the first on the course list. Please, please, and please observe. Watch how the first lawyer announced his appearance. Watch how he conducted himself. Because I also made that mistake. I'm like, I was asking myself, why was it only one lawyer for one case? And my case was number 4. I observed, but I just didn't take the hint. So the thing is, observe and take the hint. Watch what other lawyers are doing. Watch the correction the judge gave a lawyer or someone, and then please accept the hint and practice the hint. That is my next point. To be a minimalist with your appearance. Please curb down on the makeup, curb down on the flamboyant earrings, cut down the excessive jewelry, on the big hair, cut down on. I don't think men have a problem with this. I think it's more of we that like to look extra. So please cut down on it. When you're talking, your earrings are jiggling, and per se you're with a mic. Let's say in the particular court you have, there's a mic in front of you, and you're a lot of noises. It's very distracting. It's very distracting, and you tend to draw a lot of attention to yourself. So please cut down on the appearance. Look good, but be minimalist. My next point would be to expect anything. If you're going to court to move a motion for extension of time, or to move an application for enforcement of something, never you expect that you just go to court and move that motion. Anything can happen. And if you're not prepared for anything, you are likely going to be thrown off balance. So ask yourself, the thing is, create scenarios and prepare for those scenarios. Just imagine the opposing party was not around. What would you say? In my case, the opposing party was not around, and I was ready to move my application like the great lawyer I felt I was. But the judge was like, calm down. Wouldn't it be in the interest of justice to, per se, seek for an adjournment so that the other parties will be here to hear their cases? And I was like, yes, my lord. She's like, okay, move your application. I was supposed to move for an adjournment, but I just wanted to move my application. And she looked at me, she's like, cancel. Let's not go into that. The thing I said is expect the unexpected. Okay, the next point will be to go to court with a court diary. If you're new to a firm, you can borrow the diary of a friend you have there or a colleague or something. Just always go to court with a court diary so that you don't choke up your firm with lots of cases. Per se, you need to get another. Obviously, you need to get another date if it's not for judgment. If it's for hearing or other things, you definitely are going to get a date for another hearing, sitting. So try to go with a court diary, so that if the date the court prefers to you, per se, you're not asked to be given a date. Sometimes the court wants to give you a date because their diary or their list is full, so that you don't choke up your firm. Let's say you might not know, but the firm might have already like 3 cases in a day, and they're all in the morning at different parts of town, and there are only like 3 lawyers in your firm. Who is going to appear for the one that you are already taking that date for? So try to go with a court diary. If you don't have one, borrow one from someone already in the firm, so that you don't jam pack cases for your law firm. The last one would be to kindly update the court file after you are done with the appearance. Let the person know, the next person. Just always treat a case file as if you are never coming back to it. Treat it as if they're always going to give it to someone new who knows nothing about the case. If you treat a case file like that, it's going to be much, much more easier for the next person handling it. Per se, it's not you. So, and it's also going to help you if you keep procrastinating and saying, oh, I'll write the details next time, or I'll explain next time. You are likely going to forget. Okay, and when you forget, it affects you, it affects your case, your client, and your law firm. So that's it for my tips and advice on appearing for a case for the first time. Okay, so I'm going to leave links to the 2 pages that helped me relearn how to move my applications, because lack of practice had made me forget what I learned in law school. So, the thing is, I actually used to feel like what I was doing wasn't useful until I came across those 2 pages, and they were so helpful to me. How to move a bail application is in one of the pages, and so many other things I think will be very useful to you as a young lawyer or a law student willing to learn. So, if you want to find out anything, you can always leave a question for me in the comment section. As long as I can make the video, I will make the video for you. Alright, so till my next video, thank you for watching. If you got to this point with me, good luck if you are preparing for the first time, and see you in my next video. Bye.